Using a debit card is a convenient way to make purchases and manage your money directly from your bank account. To start, ensure your debit card is activated. This may involve following the instructions that come with the card, such as calling a number or using an ATM. Now, when making purchases in person, you can either swipe or insert the card into a point of sale, a POS terminal. If your card has a chip, you'll need to insert it into the terminal. If it has a magnetic stripe card, just swipe it. Afterwards, you may be asked to enter your PIN, your personal identification number, for security, or in some cases you can choose to sign instead. For contactless payments, simply tap your card on the terminal and it will process the payment. For online purchases, you'll need to enter your debit card details, include the card number and expiration date and security code, which is the CVV, which can be found on the back of the card. Always ensure that you're shopping on secure websites to protect your financial information. A lot of fraud out there. Debit cards also allow you to withdraw cash from the ATMs. So, simply insert the card, enter your PIN, and choose the amount you wish to withdraw. Keep track of your spending to avoid overdrawing your account, and monitor your transactions regularly for security. Let me know if this helped.